Welcome back to our cabin escape. So we are on site this weekend. We're getting trusses installed. So kind of what we're looking at doing is due to height reasons, and
I'm deathly afraid of heights. I thought I could do this. I really did. When we started framing the 16-foot walls and I had to climb up on top of the scaffolding and be at the top of that 16-foot wall, I freaked. I was done. And I looked at Dave at the end of that weekend and I said, will you indulge me and let me make contact with some contractors and see what kind of pricing it'd be to have a contractor come on site and actually do this last bit of framing for us. We had one guy respond that gave us an awesome bid. I mean, to the point that we were stupid not to have him do it, because we would have been out as much in a rental of a crane to come in and be with us for hours on end while we set these, and
a lift to also help get the sheathing up on the roof once we got the trusses set. So we decided to hire a guy to do a crane, and he's been awesome to work with. And
he's been on site this week. He has done what they call the rake framing, all of the end framing from the top plate into the edges of the eaves, or at bottom of the side of the trusses, and they're just getting ready to set trusses today. So we're on site. We'll get to watch that, which is super, super exciting. By the end of the weekend, we should have an entire roof done, because he's going to do all of the sheathing and everything for us, and then later on we'll have somebody come in and set all of our metal on the roof for us as well, so we don't even have to mess with any of the heights.
Yep, all of our metal roofing is done. It's been ordered a couple weeks ago, and it's now done. It's ready to be picked up. So once we get trusses done, we'll call the guy to do the metal roofing, and about mid-August, so we're at about 2 weeks is about where we're figuring, maybe 3, before we're going to be able to get the metal roofing done. So yeah, that's kind of the status of where we're at, and yeah, we'll show you guys some pictures and some videos as we can as they do it, and yeah, we'll see how the weekend goes and what we can get done on our end.
Yeah, we might try to frame in the basement from the stairs from the basement to the first floor.
That's kind of our goal.
That's kind of our goal while we're here. That and take care of trees and a few other things that just need to be done. Watch their progress and see what we can get done.
Yeah, so excited. We'll see what happens, and hopefully lots of progress.
All right, so stay tuned.
They should we hire professionals. I would have had a panic attack if any of my family members would have been climbing a truss that way. And that's it. Last truss is in place.
All right, so contractor, amazing job. He got all the trusses up, he got them braced, he got everything set. Tragedy kind of happened there at the end for us. So we were in the basement, we were finishing just cutting a stair stringer for it to go from the garage to the upstairs, and we had a gust of wind kind of come through. We heard some ladders kind of fall over, not a big deal, and then we heard a really big crash. So yeah, we quickly got out of the garage, and we came around, and the gust of wind took out every truss that we have up. So it just laid every one of them down, blew out the back wall. We called our contractor and said, "Hey, bad news." Really kind of devastated right now. So he's on his way out. He's going to kind of assess the damage and kind of see what's going on, see where the next step is for them. Good thing is he is licensed and insured, so that part's a bonus. It's not going to affect us that way, but it's just all the trusses are now just
Mangled. It's a mess. I mean, it is a total mess. We will see if we can get some drone footage from above of this thing. From the backside, what we can see, it is a mangled mess.
Yeah,
I will take some video for you guys. I am just completely devastated. I was super excited today. Stoked because we were going to have a roof. It was going to be done, and I couldn't wait. And
yeah, the storm came through. We watched it kind of come across, and the winds picked up, and that was pretty much it. So yeah, we'll wait and see what happens now. We're still up here for the remainder of the weekend. Contractor will be out here now for quite a few days, kind of cleaning it up.
He'll be here for a while, fixing and repairing damage. He's told us he'll fix it, he'll repair it, he'll get it back to that same state.
Probably a little better, being professionally done. So
he's been so sweet. He has been awesome with us, and he said, "You guys haven't done a bad job. We've had to fix a few things, nothing major, but he's been awesome."
So yeah, he's been really good to work with, so we're not worried about it that way. So yeah, we'll assess the damage probably tomorrow morning, and we'll wait to see what he has to say, and then that's up to him, and we'll continue to work on stairs and go from there.
Maybe we will see. We will let him assess structural damage and make sure it's safe for us to be in there before I think we will continue with stairs. I'm not going to mess with stairs if he is questioning anything above us at the time. So we'll see.
So yeah, stay tuned. We'll show you some pictures and assess the damage and go from there. So
thanks. Okay, so here we go. You ready for this? This is the damage. It is drastic. Let me tell you. That is what's left of our cabin.
We'll insert a before.
Yeah, I'll put some befores and then this after, but yeah, there you go. What do you think?
Good luck to him and us.
The good part is hopefully by the time we come up next week, most of this will be fixed and repaired, and it'll look as good as new. So we'll get you a picture of the sides. The sides aren't bad. That front wall you can see on the south side is a little bit bulgy, but not bad. I mean, that is what the wind in our area will do to construction work. And we had talked about this today. I mean, we had one of our neighbors stop by and say, "Hey, make sure you get sheathing on real quick. The winds can pick up really bad." And yeah. So walking around from the other view, took out our picnic table that we had set out for the guys today. There's the north wall. The walls seem fairly intact, honestly. I'm pleased and very happy with that, but here we have the west wall that will have our wall of windows. If you look real closely up there at the top, you can see it just took the double top plate and just peeled it and the rake walls off when it went over. So, yeah, we'll wait and see what our contractor has to say. All right, that's it for us for this weekend.
Just kind of working with the contractor right now, insurance company. Hopefully we can get it figured out and solved sooner than later.
Hopefully it's not a huge delay as far as waiting for all of the insurance to figure itself out.
So, yeah, we'll just wait and see. We'll let you guys know what's going on. Hopefully, yeah, fingers crossed on our end. And, yeah, we'll see what happens. And stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. And
We'll see you next weekend for something, hopefully.
so, thanks for watching.
Thanks.